Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a very common question: is SAP too hard to learn? If you've been thinking about starting your SAP journey but feel overwhelmed, this video is for you. We'll break down the truth, what makes SAP challenging, what doesn't, and how you can actually make it easier to learn even if you're just starting out. Let's be honest, SAP can feel intimidating at first. Here's why people say it's hard. There are many modules like SAP FICO, MM, SD, APAP, etc. It uses a lot of business and technical terms. The user interface isn't always beginner-friendly. And unlike languages like Python or JavaScript, SAP is used in real-world enterprise scenarios, not just hobby projects. So yes, it has a steep learning curve in the beginning, but hard doesn't mean impossible. Here's the good news. Once you get the basics, SAP actually becomes very logical and structured. What helps is, each module has a clear purpose, like FICO for finance, MM for materials, ABAP for development. SAP has step-by-step business processes, so if you understand how companies work, it starts to click. Tons of free and paid learning resources are available now, and you don't need to learn everything. Start with just one module based on your background. You don't need to be a tech genius to learn SAP. If you're from a commerce or finance background, start with SAP FICO. If you're into supply chain or logistics, SAP MM or SD is perfect. If you're from IT or computer science, SAP, ABAP or SAP HANA is for you. You can learn SAP even without prior coding knowledge, especially the functional modules. All you need is consistency and some curiosity. Here are 3 tips to make SAP easier to learn. Pick one module and stick to it. Don't try to learn everything at once. Understand the business process first. SAP is built around how companies work. Practice in a demo system. Theory alone won't help. You need hands-on practice. Also, follow structured tutorials, join forums, or enroll in beginner-friendly online courses to guide your path. So, is SAP too hard to learn? It's not hard, it's just different. It's not like learning a coding language or a general app-building tool. It's about learning how real businesses operate using SAP. Once you get that mindset, it starts to feel much more manageable. If you're serious about a career in enterprise tech, SAP is still one of the most valuable skills to have. If this helped ease your doubts, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which SAP module you're thinking of learning. See you in the next one.